I'm Pierrick, Executive Chef of TRUFFLE restaurant in Saigon. TRUFFLE restaurant is a luxury fine dining restaurant located in the 73rd floor of Landmark 81 with an incredible panoramic view on the city. Our philosophy is all about ingredients. Our mission is to create the memorable dining experience with our finest 10 courses set menu. Today's dish is a coconut dome with tropical fruits. Refreshing dessert where we balance creaminess of coconut with fresh fruits such as pineapple, richness of mango and acidity of passion fruit. I get inspired by Vietnam sweetness, the varieties of delicious tropical climate fruit with full of flavors. I designed it a golden lotus flower. Lotus is divinely beautiful symbol of Vietnam, also known as the flower of the dawn. I wish you a bon appétit.